Hello and welcome. Let's together recover my lost partition using a great recovery software. Using this great software, WonderFox with AI, the data recovery software to recover deleted and lost files and partitions. Let's go. I just opened the WonderFox with AI console and look, this is the first thing that appeared, lost partition. So let me click to start the scan to try to recover my lost partition. So my lost partition include discrete scan, AI scan with some files or some photos, EPEG or PNG files. Perfect. But the scan is still in progress. Look at that. Still analyzing and scanning to recover my lost partition and all the files that I lost in that partition. Let's wait until finish. Alright, AI scan complete. From the console, I can see the file paths and by files type, pretty organized by documents. Photo. To discern audio files. Okay, cool. Configuration file, executable files, and others. Let me check these audio files. Interesting. Some audio files, one XML document, and of course the photos. Okay. Let me just click here. Let's see the same thing. Click over here. In order to start the recovery process. Files found, 43, selected 43, nice. Let's start the recovery. Okay, on which partition I want to recover. For example, this one. Click OK. And is recovery the files. Perfect. Let's wait until finish. Alright, recovery complete. Do you recover files? Yes, of course. Show me. So he creates on the partition that I already selected a folder named Lost Partition on the physical disk 1. We have the result of the AI scan and the result from the quick scan. As you can see, there is everything related to the partition, but the AI scan show the recovery files, the JPEG photos and the PNG files. At this point, let me tell you something. This is not just another recovery software. This is a truly wonder, because this machine is the machine that we use to test everything. The mean is that just partition, we format and reformat and delete, erased, resize. We do a lot of things against those partition, and it's incredible that the software managed to recover the files after we rewrite, overwrite thousands of times the partition and the file, and the software was able to recover. Let me show you something, because in fact, we did exactly the opposite of what was recommended. If we go over here, will WonderFox with AI recover all by data? What is the recommendation if you stop using the impacted device right after data loss to prevent overwriting? Well, we don't do that. We do the opposite. We do exactly the opposite. We rewrite and format and reformat and overwrite dozens of times. And WonderFox with AI was able to recover all the lost files, even after we reformat and overwrite dozens of times the partition. That makes the software a truly wonder. Many thanks to WonderFox to create this truly wonder software to recover lost files, lost partition, and all your important data. Hurry up, your lost data are just a click away to be recovered using WonderFox with the AI. Check the link in the description down below. Free download the software and start recovering your lost data. And many thanks to WonderFox Recovery to trust in time to videos, your channel. Thanks to watch until the end, and remember, see you on the next one.